Be ready. Start. The present petition is filed under Section 9 of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, read with Rule 6 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy (start) Application to Adjudicating Authority (close) Rules 2016 by the applicant operational creditor, that is Reliable Finance Corporation Private Limited, for initiation of corporate insolvency resolution process against the respondent corporate debtor company Stellar Investments Limited. Stop. We have heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner as well as respondent corporate debtor and perused the averments made in the application, reply, rejoinder, as well as the additional affidavit filed on behalf of the respective parties. Stop. Para. The claim of the applicant is that the applicant operational creditor has sold 11,645 shares of SNS Diagnostic to corporate debtor at the rate of rupees 99 per share for a total amount of rupees 1 crore 15 lakh 25,000 on 9/1/2020, and also raised the sales bill of that amount. Stop. Despite of several reminders made by the operational creditor, the corporate debtor did not made the payment, thereafter, a demand notice was sent to the corporate debtor on 18/9/2020, which was duly delivered on 19/9/2020 to the corporate debtor. Stop. But no reply to the demand notice was sent by the corporate debtor. Then the operational creditor has filed the present application. Stop. It is further contended that the applicant has also filed an affidavit under Section 9 (3) (b) stating that the no dispute has been raised. Stop. Para. The corporate debtor has appeared and filed his reply, and in paras 4 and 5 of the reply, the corporate debtor had admitted that an amount of rupees 1 crore 12 lakh 75,000 is due and payable by the corporate debtor to the operational creditor. Stop. During the pendency of this application, the applicant has also filed an supplementary affidavit for replacement of IRP and the written consent of the IRP. Also at page 5 of the additional affidavit filed on 25/8/2021. Stop. Learned counsel for the corporate debtor in course of hearing admits that there is a default in making the payment of the amount. Stop. Para. Now, in terms of the averments referred in application, reply, rejoinder, and affidavit, we consider the prayer of the applicant. We are of the considered view that admittedly the applicant has succeeded to establish that the invoice amount referred to in Part 4 of the application, that is 1 crore 15 lakh 25,000, has not been paid. Stop. Of course, by filing the reply, the learned counsel for the corporate debtor submits that out of that amount, rupees 2,50,000 has already been paid, but still the defaulted amount is more than rupees 1 crore, therefore, we are of the considered view that in terms of Section 9 (5) I, the applicant operational creditor has succeeded to establish this fact that the application is complete. the operational debt has not been paid, the demand notice has duly delivered, and no notice of dispute has been raised by the corporate debtor, and there is no disciplinary proceedings pending against the corporate debtor. Stop over.